Alright guys, we got a Defiant Deadbolt 5-pin lock and a Quickset 660 5-pin lock. The Quickset has 2 security pins, the Defiant has 3. Let's start with the Quickset. Alright, she's locked up there, and that is the bitting on the key. It's quite good bitting. Now I'm going to attempt to unlock these with a paper clip that I've bent into that shape. Yeah, just ordinary paper clip. And a needle, just ordinary little needle there. Alright, so let's get cracking on the Quickset. Alright, I've set my clock premature. Alright, let's just get my tool in there. Alright, start the clock, start the music, start picking. Alright, I hold the needle upside down so the pointy end is right in my fingers, and I will try raking first, because sometimes I can get it just with raking. If not, as this is the case, I start picking. There we go, we got it. We're in. So that's that one done. Let's move on to the Defiant. There's the bitting on the Defiant. Put our paper clip lever in. Pick up a needle, and again upside down so the eye of the needle goes into the lock. That's how I do it. Right, I tried raking, didn't get it, so I'm on to single pin picking. I've got 2 of them so far. Be easier with a longer needle to get the back pins, but I don't have a longer needle, and I like to do things the hard way often. There we go, we're in. Stop the clock. Alright, I was chatting to a locksmith the other day, and he finds these harder to pick than like Sludge and stuff like that, of the better locks. He struggles with these cheaper budget locks. I don't know if any of you guys have found that the same, but to me these things are incredibly easy. I certainly wouldn't want one in my front door. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you later.